Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a search engine in Brave. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to the top right. Okay. Click on the three horizontal lines. Now click on settings. Now, once you click on it, go to the left panel and click on search engines. Okay. Now, once that's done, if you want to use the default search engines given by Brave, you can just click on change right here under normal window. Change, and as you can see here, we have Brave, Google, DuckDuckGo, Qwant, and Bing. Okay, just basically select one and click on set as default and you're good to go. Now, let's say you have other search engines. Let's say I'm going to find one. As you can see here, we have Google, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, Yandex, and Ecosia. If you want to use one of these, let's say, for example, Yahoo or Yahoo Search right here. So just click on it. Now, as you can see here, we have Yahoo. So what you'll do is just go ahead and right click on the URL box. Now click on copy, then right click on it again, manage search engines and site search. Okay, click on it. Now go to scroll down and you should be able to see the site search option. So just click on add, write down the URL right here, add in a name, Yahoo. And the shortcut may be Yahoo as well, and just click on add. And once that's done, to finally use it, just go ahead and open up a new tab, type down Yahoo or your specific shortcut, and then type down space. Okay, now hit on enter. There you go. As you can see here, we are now using the Yahoo search engine. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.